In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Shopify email, a process that should take around 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to update your contact information or switch to a more appropriate email for your business needs, I'll guide you through each step to make this change seamless and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Shopify homepage. You'll want to ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Once you're on the Shopify site, it's time to log in to your Shopify admin panel. You'll need your username and password for this, so have those credentials handy. Enter them in the designated fields and hit the login button. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll notice a store icon. Give that a click. This icon is your gateway to accessing important account settings and manages various aspects of your Shopify store. You'll be navigating through these settings to update your email. Next, look for the option labeled Manage Account and click on it. This section houses all the essential details about your account, including the email address currently associated with your Shopify profile. Keep an eye out for the email section. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the account management area, you'll see an Update button situated near your current email address. Give that a click. You're now on the cusp of making your desired changes. However, before proceeding, Shopify requires an extra layer of security to protect your account, so you will need to re-authenticate. When prompted, go ahead and click on the Re-authenticate option. This step is crucial in proving your identity and safeguarding your business information. It might involve entering your password again or verifying through a trusted device. You'll follow the prompts provided by Shopify. With authentication complete, you can now input your new email address. Ensure the email you enter is valid, active, and securely maintained, as Shopify will use this for important communications regarding your store. After typing in the new email, you'll see a Change Email button. Press this button to finalize the update. And just like that, you've successfully changed your Shopify email. Check your inbox for a confirmation message from Shopify to ensure everything processed correctly. Remember, updating your email is an important step in maintaining clear communication lines for your business operations. So it's great you've taken the time to make sure yours is current. Thank you for watching, and I hope this step-by-step guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, Shopify's support team is a great resource. Have a great day.